postcard and mail it to Captain Silver, care of Station G, Box 30.
Son of a...
I'll repeat that address. Captain Silver.
Son of a...
I'll repeat that address. Captain Silver.
What the fuck are you doing?
Don't hit us.
What the...
From the skull has been removed shortly after Stan's disappearance. The state police determined that
The person that in the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh, oh, Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
Yeah, I heard those wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off and this mother is driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Oh my God.
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता आ जाता आगे नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक डाउन लगी तो नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
But like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
Model X.
I want to sit on the back in the truck.
current loop video is now locked.
God.
Speed and red light camera in 100 meters. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
Oh, man.
there's an accident. Just they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my God. Oh my.
Mormon church had the big money for those boys. Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my God.
I think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah.
Thank God.
Oh my. Holy sh**. I have the footage of it.
And we didn't realize this until the person who was turning it in tried. Man, I saw it. Oh my God. Be careful.
There's no so these people have cultivated for over 30 years, and then all of a sudden you're like, no, I'm sorry, you're too old, go away. What's Bob Catter going to do otherwise? You can't go back into the army, even though he's pretty good at it. That's what
At the front, like when I tell you, like I could have walked up and like held on to this thing.
Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit, dude! Holy shit!
Your head like it would glitch. But look how perfect. This is, I'm wearing makeup right now.
Monday, and I guess that's good.
Alright, I gotta go, Armando.
A tree suddenly fell on a taxi in Lviv on November 30th at 15:56. The driver in the car was only slightly injured after the incident. collision during the morning commute in Waukesha, Y on January 3rd, 2024. The Buick driver was safe. A collision occurred at the intersection of Mira and Pobeda Avenues on March 12, 2024. There were no human injuries. An incident at the Vishnikovo intersection on October 23rd caused traffic congestion for several hours. The incident on March 13th, 2024, in New York. Fortunately, it was a minor collision and everyone was fine. A truck unfortunately got stuck on the tracks, leading to a collision with a train in Johnston on October 12th. There were no casualties. Hoping the driver survives. The incident occurred in the USA on August 27th. The incident occurred on August 24th in Jiangxi Province, China. Following traffic laws is crucial. The initial cause of the collision was a truck tire suddenly exploding, causing the vehicle to lose control in Ningbo, Zhejiang, China. A truck collision occurred on September 7th near the Ladesena toll booth. There were no human casualties. A truck losing control caused a multi-vehicle collision on July 21st in Yosu. An incident occurred in Jolanum, praying for the driver's health after a collision due to brake failure.
Someone else. This is crazy. What's gonna happen? Oh no! Oh my god!
Fortunately, the train driver stopped in time and everyone was safe. Collision in Elgin, Texas on September 21st. Side collision incident on February 18th, 2024 in Omsk. Everyone is fine after the collision. Dashcam footage of a collision in the USA on November 8th. The cause was the green car speeding beyond the allowed limit. The incident occurred in Baltimore on the night of February 8th. Praying that everyone survived. Airbags and seatbelts protected the driver from the collision, resulting in only minor injuries. November 17th in the USA. On September 7th in Bryafovetskaya, a collision occurred between a car and a truck, praying that everyone is safe. Driver lost control, leading to a collision on September 21st in the UK. No one was seriously injured after the incident.
Ебать!